Okay, folks.
I like it.
I wasn't listening. Example number 2. The perimeter of a trapezoid is 90 centimeters. Well, good for that. The trapezoid. The parallel bases are 24 centimeters and 38 centimeters long. The lengths of the other two sides are consecutive odd integers. Wait a minute. That sounds familiar. I know how to write that too. Okay? What are the lengths of the other two sides? Okay. We've read the problem, Parker.
Yes.
A. What's the second step?
To write down the equation.
Well, not yet. I want to know what the other two sides are, right?
Right.
So I'm going to, that's what they're asking me. So I know that one is going to be x. What do you think the other one's going to be?
X plus 2.
X plus 2, because they're consecutive odd integers. Not x plus 1, that means that they'd be consecutive integers. 3, then 4. But it's consecutive odd. Okay? All right, so I've got x plus 2. Anytime they give you something where you can draw a picture, please do. It helps. A trapezoid is a figure that has one pair of parallel sides. The other two are not parallel. Let's fill in the information that they gave us. What could I write for this side up here? What do you think I could write for this one? Raise your hand. What can I write? Sophia? 24, I like it. All right. Since it's my picture, I'm not going to put a unit. I'll put it in my answer. That's 24. What do you think about this? 38, I like it. All right. How about this one?
X.
Okay. And that one?
X plus 2.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect. Now we filled in the information that we have. We're looking at our picture. We know what the variables are. Parker J. What do I need to do next? Let's write an equation. It says the perimeter of a trapezoid is 90 centimeters. What does that tell us? When you say everything together, you mean multiplied, divided, added, subtracted, added? Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to take this one and I'll write x plus 24 plus x plus 2 plus 38 is what, Parker J? 90. Now, Parker J, we also know that before we, hang on, Parker, because I want to ask a specific person this specific question. Play. What should I do here?
You got to circle each of the numbers with their signs.
So you're going to simplify this before you solve it.
Yes.
Okay. So I've got this term, I've got this one, I've got this term, this one, and this one. 5 terms. Can I put any of them together?
Yes.
Which ones?
You can put 38, 2, and 44, which would be 40, which would be 64.
Exactly. 38 and 2 is 40, and 24 is 64. I like it. Done, done, and done.
You got positive x, which would just be 2x.
2x plus 64 is 90. Nice. Nice. Okay. Now, James, what do I do from there? Thank you, Clay. I'm going to subtract 64 from both sides. 64 minus 64 minus 64. James, what do I have now remaining on the left side?
You have 2x.
2x over here, and on the right side?
26.
26. Taylor, where do I go from here?
Divide both sides by 2.
Divide both sides by what? I'm sorry?
2.
By 2. And what does that give me?
X equals... Or no. Wait. 13.
Okay, 13. Good. 13 what? Cows?
13
Kittens?
centimeters.
Can't hug every kitten. 13 centimeters.
I saw that video and it was so funny.
All right. Now, wait a minute. That's not what they asked us. What did they ask us, Dylan?
They asked us for 2 consecutive odds.
Nope. What did they ask us? Here's the question mark, if that's a hint.
What are the lengths of
Okay, what are the lengths of the other two sides? 13 centimeters and 15 centimeters. I have to answer the question. Doing the math is not enough. It's like you ran to the end of the race. Oh, I saw the finish line, so I stopped. No, you have to finish. You have to answer the question. They asked for the length of the other two sides. It's 13 centimeters and 15 centimeters. All right? All right, nice job. Let's look at the next one.